Welcome, my name is William Hafod from Coastal Land. Today we're going to be looking at lab number 10. We're going to be doing electrochemistry. First part, we're going to look at three types of batteries, check their voltages and compare to what the package says. Second part, we're going to take a grapefruit, a lemon, then a lime, a copper, and an aluminum electrode. We're going to be checking the voltages on different sections of it. Let's get started. First things first. We have an alkaline C cell by Duracell. Package says 1.5 volts. Let's check it out. Alright, so we get direct current going here to check. Black on negative here. Alrighty, I'm getting 1.60 volts. Now let me check again, just to be safe. 1.60 volts, yes. Alright, this is just a standard alkaline battery. Next up, we're going to try this rechargeable by Eneloop Pro. It's a Philips company. Amazing batteries, rechargeable. This is a nickel metal hydride, and this is brand new off the package. It says 1.2 volts in a package. Let's see what we get. I'm getting 1.29 volts. Check again. 1.29 volts. Last but not least, we're going to be checking a CR2032 used on watches on small devices. It's a lithium. Says the package says 3 volts. So let's see. I'm going to put this over the black electrode and then test above. It's giving me a reading of 3.26 volts. All right, let's try again. Yes, oh, whoa. 3.26 volts. Alrighty, now we're gonna go over here. Let's start with the grapefruit. I'm gonna section it in half along the equator line. Sorry about that, a little bit of trouble dropping the phone. All right. I'm using a standard voltmeter for this. So the grapefruit can easily stand on its backside. Go ahead and cut, wash this off, then I'll cut the lemon and the lime. I'm going to end up mixing the juices. Doesn't affect my results. I grab some paper with water to be able to wipe the other fruit. Go ahead and cut the lemon. I'm going to cut the bottom so to flatten it out a little bit. Not fully, just to flatten it. Alrighty. We got our half lemon. Same thing for the lime. We go to 3 fruit here. First up, let's grab here, get one section. This is a pretty nicely even one. Let's see which one I'm gonna go first. Okay, aluminum one first, right here. Get the copper. I'm gonna put in the same section but not touching. So about yay. Okay. They're not touching. Now we're going to check the voltage. Let's see. I'm going to do negative on copper, positive on aluminum. Get a negative reading. Let's try the opposite. I got 0.43 volts up until 0.66 is where it looks like it's stuck at. 0.66 volts. Okay, let's wipe these a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna move different section. Let's put it across now. Let's do it again. Negative on the aluminum, positive on the copper. I got 0.59 volts for that. Check again. .59 volts, perfect. Alright, I'll wipe these off. Don't want juice on them. Dry side as well. Next up, we're going to try our lemon. It's going to be a little trickier, but okay. So we have right here. Okay, now it's going to be fun because we can't touch. There we go. Okay. Same idea. Negative on the aluminum, positive on the copper. We're getting about 0.50. We try again. Now we're going to try a different section. Copper. We're going to put it across, right over yonder. Same thing again. Negative here, positive here. Let it sit for a little. Get a 0.43 volts. 43 volts. All right. Wipe these bad boys again. Last but not least, now we're going to do the line. Be very careful here. Okay. You're not touching. Perfect. I just need to wipe my the goggles. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Let's do the reading now. Negative on the aluminum, positive on the copper. Let's see. Okay, no reading. Let me try this again. Let's try a different section. Let's do it right here. Same section, not touching again. Okay. Negative on aluminum, positive on copper. Should soften on again. It's not giving me a reading at all. I'm getting 0 volts out of this. Getting 0 volts. Let's try a different section with the copper again. Right about yonder. Okay. Let's give this one more shot. I'm getting 0.48 volts. Try again the same section. Here. Here. Got that a little. A little bit further. Okay. Let's try this again on this one. There we go. .36 volts. Let's try this one. Try this one again. There we go. Who's this guy? Okay. Let's try that again. Yep. All right. Double check. I believe that concludes it. Measure voltage. Yep. Well, that concludes this portion. Now I'm gonna look at the numbers, do some comparisons, and see how it goes. Thank you for your time.